Welcome to This Week in Music. My name is Mr. Layton, and it's time to take a look at what's happening in your favorite music class over the next few days. Please make sure your child is taking their instrument home every day. Encourage them to practice. Use good words for them to help them feel like they're doing really well. So practice is going to help them get stronger and things are going to get easier. We are also need to focus on learning more about instrument care. A well-maintained instrument is going to work properly and it's going to sound better and last longer. So there'll be resources on how to get better at that. So please remind your student to clean and care for their instrument regularly. Third, we are pushing hard on reading and note identification. This week, we're using the 3 things rule. I'm telling students, every time you see a note, you should instantly know 3 things about it. How to play it, that's the buttons and everything. What it's called by the letter name, and what it looks like on the music staff. Mastering these 3 things will make reading easier. Now, fourth, we're going to get connected to MakeMusic. Students should sign up using the login codes posted in the Google Classroom. This is going to give them access to all this music and the assignments, and it's like having a band director and a band in the box. Next, save the date for the band picture day. This is our yearbook photo. That is on Thursday, October 23rd. We're going to arrive at 7 a.m. in full uniform. Finally, our community discount card fundraiser. It's going to help us raise money for band, and we have another one coming up, a lot like Step It Up. So I'm not saying don't participate in it, but these fundraisers are directly going to impact your child's musical expense here so we can do cool things later in the year. Whatever band information you need more of this week or next, you can contact me by email to reach out anytime. Be sure to keep up to date by keeping your eyes out for my emails. That's all for this week. We'll see you next time.